Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token and Coinbase situation. Remember last year, Coinbase actually listed Terra Classic token, but due to the crash, Coinbase now removed Terra Classic. But there has been so much pressure from Terra Classic community asking Coinbase to actually list Terra Classic token and also accept the 1.2% tax bond. And once Coinbase lists Terra Classic token this year, we are going to see a lot of rise for Terra Classic token. Yes, Coinbase have actually shown kind of interest. Just rumors say that Coinbase actually bought about $245 million worth of Terra Classic coin last year, and I hope that news to be true. But I strongly believe that Coinbase can list Terra Classic token this year, and I'm hoping for that to actually happen more faster than we think. But Terra Classic still need more support in the area of burning Terra Classic coin, because the burn of Terra Classic coin will definitely help this coin to really increase. About 5.9 or 6 trillion coins out there, and I think if they can really burn at least half of these coins, Terra Classic is going to gain a lot of rise, a lot of support. But for me, I think Coinbase situation, I believe this year we might be seeing Coinbase listing Terra Classic coin once again. Coinbase listing can bring over 300 to 700% rise for Terra Classic token. One important thing I need to understand is that Terra Classic is all the burning of Terra Classic with 1.2% tax bond. Last year they didn't burn much, but we believe once more buyers comes in, once more people start to invest on this, we are going to see Terra Classic coin hitting a massive increase in price. And I believe Coinbase will definitely bring an impact. Coinbase can help Terra Classic coin delete some zeros. Let's keep hoping to see the best comes out of Terra Classic this year. Last year, Terra Classic got a lot of search in terms of coin market cap. Terra Classic was one of the top coins people were searching on coin market cap, and I believe this year is going to be one of the best year for Terra Classic coin. Well, please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.